Hey, coffee lovers. Did you know that over 150 million Americans drink coffee every day? That's more than half the population. But here's something even more shocking. Your daily cup of coffee does way more than just wake you up. Today, we're diving into 7 mind-blowing benefits of drinking coffee every day and a secret recipe to improve your experience with coffee. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 3. It might just save your life. Let's get started. The first benefit is enhanced brain function. Coffee doesn't just wake you up. It makes your brain work better. Studies show that caffeine blocks adenosine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel sleepy, thereby increasing neuron firing. This boosts memory, mood, and energy levels. Imagine being more focused and energetic throughout your day, tackling tasks with greater efficiency and alertness. The second benefit is weight management. Trying to lose weight? Coffee can help. Caffeine boosts your metabolism by stimulating thermogenesis, which is the process your body uses to generate heat and energy from digesting food. This means you burn more calories even when you're not active. Additionally, caffeine helps break down body fat by releasing fatty acids into the bloodstream, which your body can use as fuel, especially during physical activity. Regular coffee consumption has also been linked to better adherence to physical activity, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. The third benefit is a physical performance boost. Want to enhance your physical performance? Coffee's got you covered. Caffeine increases adrenaline levels, helping you perform better during physical activities. It mobilizes fat from fat tissues, allowing your body to use it as fuel and preserving glycogen stores in your muscle. This delay in glycogen depletion helps you sustain physical exertion for longer periods before fatigue sets in. The fourth benefit is being a rich source of antioxidants. Did you know coffee is rich in antioxidants? Coffee beans release powerful antioxidants like chlorogenic acids and melanoidins during roasting. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are harmful compounds that can cause oxidative stress and cellular damage. By consuming coffee, you help protect your cells from this damage, supporting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. In fact, coffee is one of the largest sources of antioxidants in the Western diet, providing more than even some fruits and vegetables. The fifth benefit is a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Coffee can help lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Compounds like chlorogenic acid reduce glucose absorption in the intestines and improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. Regular coffee consumption has been linked to a significant reduction in the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, with each cup consumed per day associated with a 6% lower risk. This benefit is most pronounced with black coffee, as adding sugar and cream can negate some of the positive effects by contributing to higher calorie intake and sugar consumption. The sixth benefit is liver protection. Protect your liver with your daily coffee habit. Caffeine reduces liver fibrosis and helps prevent liver diseases by slowing down the progression of liver damage. Coffee's unique compounds, such as kawul and cafestol, enhance the liver's detoxifying capabilities by increasing the levels of certain enzymes that neutralize harmful substances. Drinking more than 2 cups a day has been linked to lower rates of liver scarring and liver cancer, making coffee a powerful ally in maintaining liver health and function. The seventh benefit is heart health. Coffee can benefit your heart health too. Antioxidants in coffee protect your blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in the development of cardiovascular conditions. By safeguarding the endothelium, the thin membrane lining the inside of your heart and blood vessels, coffee helps maintain proper vascular function and healthy blood pressure levels. Research shows that drinking 3 to 4 cups daily is associated with a significant reduction in the risk of stroke, highlighting coffee's positive impact on cardiovascular health. In addition to these incredible benefits, here's a unique way to enjoy coffee in your meals: spicy coffee-infused beef tacos. Marinate 1.5 lbs flank steak in a mixture of 1 cup brewed coffee, 1 4-cup soy sauce, 2 TBSP brown sugar, 2 TBSP olive oil, 1 TBSP apple cider vinegar, 1 TSP cumin, 1 TSP smoked paprika, 1/2 TSP coriander, 1/2 TSP chili powder, 1/4 TSP cayenne, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 chopped small onion for at least 4 hours. Cook the steak in a skillet over medium-high heat for 4 or 5 minutes per side. Let it rest, then slice thinly. Warm 8 tortillas, fill with beef, and top with cilantro, red onion, cotija cheese, and optional avocado, jalapeno, and salsa. Serve with lime wedges. Enjoy your flavorful coffee-infused beef tacos. Who knew coffee could offer such a diverse array of benefits? From enhancing brain function and boosting physical performance to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, it's clear that coffee is more than just a morning ritual. Moderation is essential to maximize these benefits while minimizing any potential adverse effects. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert health and wellness insights. Additionally, if you're interested in products that can enhance your coffee experience and support your overall health, be sure to explore the links in the pinned comment below. Stay informed, stay healthy, and enjoy your coffee.